Hey folks, sorry for anyone tuning in. It seems that there was a scheduling issue. Um, we stated two different times on the dev webinar. We're going to go ahead with a later start time. So I'm going to delay starting the official content for an hour. That being said, if anybody has any questions right now, I want to give you guys the opportunity to ask. So if you have any questions before official start time, post them in chat and we can have a casual chat. Cool. Let's do something like this. There we go. Um, so yeah, feel free to post something in chat. Otherwise, I will catch you guys soon. Well, it seems like no questions so far. So I'm going to mute myself and just casually monitor the chat. Howdy, folks. Welcome to the stream. Ooh, fancy. Today is mostly about helping devs. So sorry, I guess the first thing I should mention is sorry about the delayed or the changed time. I know in Discord and probably on the Luma we might have stated different times. So today was delayed, but next week we'll coordinate to make sure that that doesn't happen again. So today we have about an hour and 45 minutes. No, that's not true. We have an hour and 15 minutes. My bad. So apologies for that. But what I do want to do today is help some of the devs, um, just figure some stuff out, get through some tough problems. So what I think, I mean, we have two options. The first thing is, chat, you can come alive here, or we can jump onto Discord. We can jump onto the community stage. I can bring up everyone as speakers, and we can just start chatting. Whichever you guys prefer. Um, in the meantime, probably worthwhile to. Okay, let's create a new board, and we'll call this dev support. Dev support. Oop, yeah. And then, how did I do? How did I open this? Okay, interesting. You go bam, bam, bam. Bam. Uh, Bam. Nice. Okay, wait. Bam. Oh, intriguing. Okay, those are the dev support. So, tell me, devs, can I be heard? Am I muted? No, I'm not muted. Great. Yeah. Um, devs in chat, let me know. What's on your mind? I'm gonna jump into the community stage. No stage started. I'm just gonna be there if you guys want to jump in. Got 7 viewers in chat. I mean, if not, I can happily go back to working through the DeFi assistant. Well, you know what? What we'll do is I'll be in Discord if any of you guys want to jump in or if you want to post a chat down here. But I will otherwise pull up cursor. What am I doing here? I'm trying to do this. Ah, I see unemployed crow. How do I invite you to stage? Invite to stage. Invite to server? What? Oh, invite to speak. There we go. It's right at the top. Boop. What do I need to do? I need to minimize this tab. Let's minimize that. Open up OBS. Okay, cool. We're looking at uh We're looking at cursor. I should probably send the live stream link into chat over here. One sec. Copy link address. Boop, boop, boop. Great. Well, what we're going to do is probably just jump into it. I don't see any I don't see any flowing questions. We're back with the DeFi assistant. Um, well, I guess I might as well open up Figma one more time. And we're gonna go back to the camping webinar, and we have a long list of things actually that we wanted to start getting through. Oh, jeepers, doesn't this feel daunting? But we can do it. We have the power of AI on our side. Make a dynamic search bar. Actually, we do have that, don't we? Pretty sure we have this. Let's open the Koii node. Oh, let's close down Figma so you can see the Koii node. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my node. And we're going to launch... Oh, wow, that was already running. We're going to launch this task again from scratch. We're going to open up our tab. We're going to go to this. Oh, no, we don't have a search bar. Okay, good enough. Let's add a search bar. Pause task. Great. Chat. Agent mode. Okay, great. Let's use Claude 3.7. New ML agent. So I'm supremely excited to give it a shot. Ba 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 ba. Okay, sorry. I was just muting myself in Discord. Over here, in the context menu, can you guys see this? I should probably double check. No, you still see this. So allow me to minimize that. Great. Oh, and I also have to get rid of the Koii node so you can see what I'm doing. Okay. Minimize. And we're going to tell cursor to add a dynamic search bar. What's the name of the element? A dynamic search bar to the this one? Dashboard section. Dashboard card. This is the whole section. No, this is the first card. Market overview. Yeah, it's in the market view. Market overview section above the dropdown to dynamically search for tokens not listed in the dropdown. Also, the dropdown should mention it's only the most popular coins, top 100, something like that. Let's see what it does. Hope we don't get rate limited today. Let's see how far we get. Oh, it's still going. Okay. We're gonna let it go. Search point search endpoints, yeah. JavaScript functionality for the search. Focused edit. Got it. I'm going to trust it. And we are going to yarn prod debug. If you've been following along, you know the drill. If you need a refresher, just let me know. But basically, yarn prod debug lets you run our production debugging tool. Fantastic. So we are in this. What are we doing? What am I doing? Oh yes, I'm going to go to the Koii node. I'm going to launch the easy testing task. And we are going to find our way over to, did I close it? No, I just minimized it. This, refresh, search for any token. Oh, cool. Koii. Yay. What? Add token? Refresh? Search? Koii? I didn't look into what this did. Does it not add the token? Ah. Ah. It should be that if I do Koii, right? And then add token. Okay. Maybe we should inspect our AI generated code a little bit. Because this feels wrong. Search bar above the dropdown. It allows searching for any coin, so it shows the result in the dropdown list, updates as you type, requires at least two characters to search. That's fine. Update the dropdown label to clarify it shows top 100, sure. Added search results, show the token name, add new backend endpoint, added proper error handling. Ah, okay. So just to add the next part. The search bar, uh, when you select a token from the search bar, it should add that token to your overview. Oh, we didn't do the roots. Okay. All right. Koii node. Relaunch the old tasky poo. And we shall return and see what the AI did. Okay, so now I want to go Koii. Oh, nice. Pretty fancy. Yeah, that's pretty fancy. Uno, momentum, still to play. That means one moment, please. Okay, cool. So that works. Market overview. We should probably change this to my assets, which we can do very easily manually by simply going here, and right here, market overview, and we actually want it to say my assets. Haha. Cool. All right. Let's go back. Okay, so we want this to say my assets. I kind of want to do the portfolio section. Let's open up Figma right quick and let's see. Um, oh, we did add some Koii branding. Could probably do a better job. It's Koii global branded, but hey, it's good enough for me right now. Have an option to show how many of the top performing tokens. Have an option to show how many of the top performing tokens we'd like to see. Ah, I see. Okay. Your portfolio should be dynamic. You should be able to add a token. Aha. Boop. Let's do this one. This is the one I want to do. So, what we want is the your portfolio section. Here, we're just gonna copy this. Okay. The your portfolio section should be dynamic based on the assets in the My Assets section. Uh, should be the number of tokens, token types you are holding with the amount of actual, before we do this, okay, wait, we'll do this. With the amount of actual tokens in parentheses, so these, okay, one sec. Now if we go back to this, um, we have our top performing tokens. Okay, so we need to add a field for how much of each token you own. Okay, easy, 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 easy. Okay. For each asset token in the My Assets section, uh, users should be able to input how much they own of that asset and get a resulting value, token price times token amount converted to USD. Total value of all my assets, 24-hour change, 2 for change for my assets combined. Hello, hello, and hello, folks. Seeing some love in chat, love seeing that. Alright, let's see what Claude Sonnet 3.7 can really do. Claude 3.7 Sonnet. It's writing wickedly fast. It's still generating. Okay, so let's see what we did first. I'll modify the code to add a token amount input and update the portfolio section dynamically, and here's how we'll do it. Oh, okay. Stored amount, nice. Just a local amount, great. Amount input, cool, cool. Local storage, remove item, update portfolio. Total value, total change, total tokens, asset count. By the way, the local storage is your browser cache, for those who are interested in knowing how that works. Alright, well, let's give it a shot. Um, press save here. We're going to, yeah, nice. We're going to run easy sandbox. What do? This do. Refresh the page over here. Great. So, let's say I have 3 Bitcoin because I like it. Uh, 200 Ethereum. Well, you gotta have Doge. Gotta have Solana. Let's let's do more reasonable numbers. There we go. There we go. 500. Great. Is this dynamic? Oh, it's totally dynamic. Ah, that's cool. That's cool. The market's down overall. And obviously this isn't my holding. I'm not like telling you exactly what I hold. I'm not really giving financial advice here. I suppose I should make that disclaimer. Um, I'm just reporting back what CoinGecko is telling me, and I'm playing around with some numbers. With the Anthropic update, are we going to be updating the Prometheus task API? The Prometheus task is already using the Anthropic key, so there probably shouldn't be any changes in that regard. Like it should be the same. Now the Prometheus task itself, not built within its API, but the actual structure of the task itself has a module that allows you to put in other LLMs that aren't just Anthropic. OpenAI is supported. Ollama, we've been working on it. There's been some issues. Uh, we'd like to start looking at other frameworks like Brain.js and stuff like that too. But right now there's no API to quickly plug and play, with each module that you want. Um, that's also sort of blocked by the fact that we don't have good packaging, which means you can't, if you downloaded everything we had to offer, we'd give you like a few gigabytes, right, of content. We don't have a way to break those packages down yet. So right now we think it's just better if it all lives on GitHub, and you guys fetch the models yourselves for now until we have something stable and production worthy. Ah, yes, no, the three. We're using the same key, so internally we can just automatically update the task to point to 3.7 Sonnet. Yeah, no issue there. Really easy. Okay, cool. So look at this. We got a thing. We got to give our AI some context. So this is something else that we should go to Figma for. We probably want to say, uh, give AI context of your portfolio and portfolio overview. And then AI should sentiment scrape the internet. Options being Twitter. Let's just start with Twitter. MVP is sentiment scrape. Actually, let's do Google News. Probably the easiest MVP, and also possibly the freest. You don't need an account to do a Google search. You just got to open up a Chrome window, do the Google search, go to Google News. Let the AI do that all in the background. It'll say, hey, give me 30 seconds. I just got to boop, 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 boop. And then it'll spit you back out a response depending on how strong your computer is. I really like that. That's cool. Okay, let's put that there. Let's put that there. Gonna sort of start putting the star over their bullet points. Um, I have an option to show. Oh, right now. Okay. Portfolio visualized dashboard below. You want to know what? That's a big task, but let's see what Claude does with it. So, let's say, actually, what we're going to do is right now, we're going to git add all, git commit dash m, um, um, added dynamic search bar plus portfolio overview calcs, git push. Again, this is publicly available open source repo on our GitHub. I know it says camping AI here, but it's actually called our uh, DeFi dashboard. The DeFi assistant task is what it's called. The DeFi assistant task. I'll paste that in chat for you guys right now. Cool. Bup. So now we're going to now that we've saved our state. Game saved. We want to say below below the dashboard cards, I'd like to add one large card that stretches the span of the dashboard that visualizes your tokens on a line chart, each token separately visualized. Uh, I'm gonna say chart for now. Conceptually, I do want a line chart, but I want to see what it does to visualize this. We're gonna say consider the best. Consider 5 to 7 um, methods of data visualization. Visualization? Is it like that? No, it looks like I feel like it's that. Um, Consider 5 to 7 methods of data visualization. Distill them down to the best 2 options, and then build both options as their own cards. Bam. Let's just see what happens here. With this being open source, I could potentially repurpose this DeFi assistant to have branding for NF. Yeah, absolutely. You can 100% rebrand this however you want. It's open source. The only thing I ask is, that you fork the repo, which means that, we all get credit. Um, it'll just put my name on there. It'll put everybody who worked on the Koii task template side of it to help you get started. But then, of course, you can take it. You can do whatever you like with it. Put your own branding on it. Put your own flavor on it. Change the way the AI works. Use a different model. Change anything you'd like. More than happy. Yeah. Honestly, I'm building this so that you guys can make money. I'm not building it so I can make money. I have Koii. um, Koii is going to do that for me. What I want to do is give you guys the opportunity to build something on Koii so that you can make money. Um, this is like a really early product, I guess, right? Koii is just on mainnet. The token price is just appreciating now. It's just starting to go up. This is the time, I'd say, to start taking advantage of Koii. The gas fees are low right now. The network usage is relatively low. We have a lot of nodes. And we are still ramping up on our Prometheus project in devs. So right now is the best time to launch one of these tasks and start taking a huge advantage of it. Beyond just being able to take advantage of the Koii task itself, um, like something that I haven't set up in front of you guys is a database where you guys can start doing a bunch of stuff, like collecting this data. I just want to open up the Figma right quick and go over the original schema for this, right? Was that eventually, once we have all this fun stuff built, and the feedback response, which I haven't quite properly built, we actually want to send that over to your own database. And once you have all this information, their email, questions and responses they've answered, feedback, we can now even add their portfolio, right, as a JSON object, right, for example, um, non-nullable. We can send that back to your database, and then all of a sudden you have all this marketing data, and once you have something to sell, you can sell it. Not only can you get the AI chatbot to shill it for you, by the way, like the AI chatbot can sell whatever you want to sell for you. You can also direct email market and all this kind of stuff. So let's say you build this AI chatbot, it's for your NFT community, you come out with a new NFT. Anytime someone asks about an NFT, your AI chatbot can say, "Oh yeah, by the way, we just made one. Here's the link. Go ahead and click it if you want. Otherwise, yeah, I'll give you the regular AI response." It's pretty cool. Okay. Awesome. Could possibly build off it to create a DEX aggregator. Yeah, 100% you could. And the cool thing is, I've been doing all this with AI. Yeah, I'm leveraging my software engineering skills so that I kind of know what I'm looking for. But in general, the AI has been able to do this all. And I think if you guys are doing it, as long as you're constantly saving to Git, so you can always roll back when the AI does something really messed up. Um, Also, if you're using Anthropic, you can always revert, by the way. It always creates checkpoints. You can always restore to these checkpoints. It's really important to know in case the AI messes something up. You guys can get super far with this. I actually know a guy on Twitter who's I've been chatting with him, and he uses AI to write all of his businesses now, and he makes a really good amount of money. So I'd really consider this as an option. So we got some portfolio visualizations. Uh, we're getting a JS chart. Sure, why not? We're getting a bar chart. Love that. We take bar charts. Ah, okay. And a pie chart. All right, let's do it. Um, let's yarn prod debug. Let's build it out and let's see what the update looks like. Oh shit, what the hell is that? Ah, sure, not a big deal. Great. Ba 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 ba. Let's open up our DeFi assistant. And we're not getting anything. This is possibly because I haven't stopped and restarted the task. Nope. Which means we must tell the AI. The code looks like you've done a lot of fun stuff, but unfortunately, oh, do we get a error? Console error? That's of course. Ah, beautiful. We totally do. Okay, let's copy this. Let's minimize this. Let's tell the AI we got that error. Let's have it fix it. Great. I'm gonna trust you. We're gonna rebuild. Oh, wait. Now, great. So we rebuilt. We're going to run our task again. And bup, 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 bup. Go to this. Go to this. Holy shees. Ha 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 ha! Wait. Oh, fuck. You guys have been just looking at Figma the whole time. No one's told me. Oh, well, you guys can see it now. It works. We got a portfolio distribution. Woo! I'd like to be able to change the. Hell yeah. This is just very pleasant to look at and see. Okay. Let's go back and let's say, um, could we make it so that when I click on what is this? What is this called? The canvas objects in the charts, I can change the colors of each bar slash pie slice. Sure. Is that version of Cursor you're running the premium version? This is the premium version. Yeah, yeah, yeah. This is the version we're paying for the Claude 3.7 Sonnet, if that's what you mean. But I guess I don't know if that's the premium version, but that's what we're paying for. That's really the only augmentation that it gets. Uh, I'm maybe get something else. I'm not sure, but yeah, I'm definitely using the version that you could pay $20 for, so you can get the Claude key, and you basically get unlimited usage with it. All right, let's accept, rebuild. Says it added it. Didn't complain to me. I can imagine this is something we might end up needing to revert, but console. Huh. What? Added a chart's color object to store the current color. Colors persist between chart updates. Create a custom picker that appears when clicking on chart elements. Oh, okay. We definitely need to restart the task. What? Okay, what? Chart color object. Yeah, but how do you inform? Okay. Um, Add logs to the color picker. Nothing seems to happen. Whew. I'm just gonna accept this. Rebuild. Restart. No pickers being made. Okay. Uh, Getting these logs, but no picker is showing up. There is no UI or modal or callout or anything. Can you make the color picker a suite of tool options at the top of the charts card and um, position the refresh button to indicate it needs to be clicked after changing colors? Let's try this. Generating. Okay, cool. Let's accept all the changes. Let's rebuild the webpack. Let's refresh. And we have our chart colors. Oh. Uh, what? The chart never, uh, don't update their colors. I think we're gonna remove the color thing. You know what? This is a perfect time to restore a checkpoint. Let's load older messages. Let's restore to this checkpoint. Fantastic. We don't need that functionality anymore. It's all good. Okay. What next could we do? Figma, where is Figma? Here it is. Okay. We got that done. Give AI context of your portfolio such that it can advise. Oh, I could actually probably do this manually. Um, but we'll see. Uh, let's say. We need to just put it up here. Um, oh, sorry, I'm just stretching. Please, ensure the AI always has within its system context. Oh, no, we wanted to go to both. Context. The users my assets. including amounts and prices set, as well as the My Portfolio section. The AI will eventually be able to query Google to advise on on trading strategy and tokens to buy. I wonder how big a context we can give it. Should then, let's just say, be able to query Google to, actually no, that's a separate thing. Such that the AI can be informed about the user's current portfolio and how it is performing. I should close Figma again, my bad. So we're going to accept this on both fronts. And then the next change is the AI should be able to query Google to make searches about tokens. This should happen when the user asks for trading advice, selling advice, or buying advice. EX. Should I buy more BTC? The AI should use a sentiment analysis strategy to analyze the top 10 posts, most recent Google results. The entire news page of most recent Google results. The entire page of most recent Google News results. Then the AI should inform the user about its suggestion. Well, while this happens, I'm going to look at the weather. High of 2 degrees today, high of 4 degrees tomorrow, high of 8 degrees on Saturday. That's kind of nice. Whoa, next week it might not go into the negatives at all. That's pretty happy for this old Canadian. Oh, great, we did it. Let's accept. Rebuild the webpack. Build successful. Let's go here. All right, well, let's test it. Um, how much BTC do I have? Boop. Let's see, let's see, let's see. I'm unable to access personal data. Huh. Intriguing. Roots. Um, can we console log oh, there's a deer outside. Wow. There's a deer outside. They're in my backyard. That's so wonderful, guys. Can we console log the AI the context window because that's odd. Um, what about the PTC in my assets? Oh, right. I made a change, which means we gotta rebuild, which should, in theory, automatically restart this, but sometimes it keeps cache state, and that can actually mess things up in the browser context. So I'm gonna restart it just to be 100% sure. Um, what about? Oh yeah. Um, tell me about my own assets. I can guide you on. I don't have. Oh, I don't have access. You don't have access. What does your system info have? Ah, curious. All right. Well, supposedly we console logged uh, all of what just happened. So let's look at it. Okay, great. Error getting portfolio data. Oh wow. Okay, great. We figured it out. Well, we figured a bit of it. Local storage is not defined. Oh, Getting this error. The AI doesn't have any idea what my assets are. Trying to access browser local storage from the server. Oh no. Hey, if you want to make a job search agent, here on Koii, during the dev webinars, let me know. I'm more than happy to give it a shot. Well, let's see what happened. Oh, we're just gonna rebuild right quick. We're going to start this up again. We're gonna go here, here, here. Ah. Hmm. When I try to enter a message in the browser chat window to the AI. See if it figures this one out. Ba, 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 ba. Okay. Try sending a message now, it says. Oof. We might have to revert, but that's okay. If we do. Let's try again. Manually restart the task for my own peace of mind. It should be automatically restarting, to be fair. And something we'll do later, by the way. Oh, what the hell? Can't get question. Oh, nice. Something we'll do later, by the way, is how to actually set up like a URL and all that kind of stuff. But still in testing mode. Not quite ready for that. Uh, what the fuck? All right. So giving a context, it probably didn't do exactly what I wanted it to do, did it? Get user portfolio. When are we even using get user portfolio? Oh fuck, we're never using it. Haha. We never use. So the AI never gets context of what we have. Every time the user or the AI receives a request, it should also get information on the user's assets. Do 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 do. All right, let's try again. Refresh. Hey, we did it, kind of. It's not in the chat bubble. Some update didn't put it in the chat bubble. So we've kind of done it. I'm not too satisfied with this as a result, so I'm not gonna push this to GitHub. But everything else before this is pushed to GitHub right now. In probably the next episode, I think we'll come in and we'll fix this. Maybe I'll try one shot at it now. It works, but the response isn't in a chat bubble and doesn't have the feedback option. Let's see what we get done. Okay. It's not a particularly fast. Well, we don't have streaming, of course, so it won't be fast. Ah, what? Why isn't it in the chat bubble card? It's not in the message, bot message class div, right? Oh, it's an assistant message. I don't want it to be called an assistant message. Um, the message assistant to bot, so to fix the system. Sorry, folks, I missed some things going on in chat. It's because it's using us. I made a new class called the assistant bot message. That's at least what I saw. Um, have we implemented MongoDB yet? No, we have not, but I can do that next time. I haven't thought to do it yet, simply because things are kind of busted. And we're still trying to get the AI to have context and stuff. Um, so like even giving feedback on messages doesn't really work properly, as you just saw. But I could implement a simple version of Mongo, for sure. Okay, it's in the card. Um, Add spacing specifically for the feedback buttons so they can't overlap with text. Few small fixes we can do. Let's accept that. Build changes, refresh, tell me about my assets. Let us see. It's better. Still needs to do some formatting. I think I'd like to see formatting, so better formatting. I'd like to see better format. Oh, shit. Can't make this longer or the stars move. Okay, we're making another one. I'd like to see better formatting, for sure. We need to get feedback working. And then we need to send data to a MongoDB. I forgot that you were having issues with your MongoDB implementation there, Patrick. That's why I didn't actually look into it. Let me see if I can find an example, though, maybe. That's not what I meant to do. We're going to go to the Koii GitHub. See if Prometheus uses Mongodl. What? What did I just do? Oh. Mongoose. Is Mongoose Mongo? Looks like we're using Mongoose there, Pat. Mongoose! I will send this to you in your Discord ticket. So you can try Mongoose, which lets you use your MongoDB URI to connect. And you get a schema. It's nice. Um, Mongo? No, you can't just do that. That's sad. Can you do this? Mongo? Oh, wow. You kind of can. There you go. Here's a bunch of ways we've used Mongo. Seems like Mongoose is the most recent way we've been doing it for sure. From our KPL helper to our task tracker, our builder 247, in our docs we use we create a Mongo client. I'm not sure exactly with what package, but Mongoose again, Mongoose again. So I would use Mongoose. Probably the easiest package. I'm gonna say we're gonna end the live stream here though, folks. So thanks so much for showing. I think we've made some really, really excellent progress here today. I'm gonna take a screenshot of this and post it on X while we got time. Some things in chat. Thanks for the live stream. Always a pleasure. Yeah, always a pleasure to have you as well. Makes a big difference when there's someone around, learning and being active, someone to bounce back off of. So I don't get too stale. But yeah, hope that you guys learned something, and look forward to seeing you next time. If you guys have any questions, feel free to drop them in chat. But otherwise, we will close out the stream. And again, sorry for this one being at an awkward time and all that kind of stuff. We'll fix that in the future. Hey there, Patrick. Yeah, we're done. Gonna be closing up the stream in just a minute here. You got Pulse Trade running. The predictions. Now do we need to redeploy? Yeah. Redeploy and try and get it launched without those errors. All right, folks. We're gonna